Good morning. Jamaica is known for its beaches, its vibrant culture, and its warm, welcoming people. But today, the real heat isn't just in the sun. It's in real estate. The island's property market is booming like never before, now valued at over $1 trillion, a figure that's simply staggering. This isn't a minor uptick, a mere fluctuation in the market. It's a fundamental transformation reshaping Kingston, Montego Bay, and even smaller towns across the island. And beyond. Investors and governments worldwide are taking notice, drawn by the immense potential. Land values have skyrocketed. What was once affordable is now a fortune, putting pressure on local communities. This isn't just about luxury villas. Commercial properties and new housing are changing the economic landscape, creating new opportunities and challenges. How did this happen? What are the underlying factors driving this explosive growth? And what does it mean for everyday Jamaicans? How is this boom impacting their lives and communities? The answer is a perfect storm. Tourism, foreign investment, a key ingredient in this economic recipe, government action, and new infrastructure, all playing crucial roles. Together, these forces are creating immense wealth and raising tough questions about who benefits and how to ensure equitable growth. We'll break down the key drivers behind this surge, examining the policies and investments that have fueled it. We'll look at the data and why this boom is making waves far beyond Jamaica's shores, attracting attention from global investors and economists alike. It's a story of opportunity, ambition, and global economics, a complex interplay of factors shaping Jamaica's destiny. Understanding this gold rush is key to seeing Jamaica's future, its potential, and its challenges. The transformation is ongoing, and its impact will last for generations, shaping the lives of Jamaicans for years to come. Let's dive into the forces fueling this unprecedented growth and explore the implications for Jamaica and the world. What's really behind Jamaica's trillion-dollar real estate boom? The story is complex, but the results are clear. Jamaica is changing fast. The world is watching, and the stakes couldn't be higher. This is the new face of Jamaica's economy. What's driving Jamaica's real estate explosion? 4 powerful forces. First, a surge of foreign investment. Second, a booming tourism industry. Third, pro-growth government policies. Fourth, major new infrastructure projects. These pillars work together, each fueling the others. When the government welcomes investors, new hotels rise, tourism grows, and infrastructure expands. It's a cycle of growth that's hard to stop. International investors see Jamaica as stable and profitable. The government has made it easy to do business. New roads and airports are opening up once remote areas. The result? A market that's attracting global attention. In the next scenes, we'll break down each pillar, see how foreign capital is reshaping the coastline, discover how tourism and short-term rentals are driving up property values, learn about the policies and infrastructure fueling the boom. Together, these forces tell the story of Jamaica's real estate revolution. The first pillar, and arguably the most impactful, is foreign investment, which is rapidly transforming the landscape of Jamaica. Investors from North America, Europe, drawn by the island's potential, and the Middle East, are pouring significant amounts of money into the island's economy. They're not just passively buying vacation homes as investments. They're actively funding the construction of luxury resorts, modern apartment complexes, and expansive commercial developments designed to cater to both tourists and residents. Jamaica's relative political stability and established legal system make it an increasingly attractive destination for international capital. In a world grappling with low returns, Jamaica offers a compelling potential for significant financial growth and lucrative opportunities. The impact of this investment is highly visible. New construction projects are rapidly lining the coast, transforming the island's skyline, and well-known international hotel chains are actively expanding their presence across the island. Foreign investors are also heavily backing the development of exclusive gated communities and modern, stylish housing options designed to appeal to both local residents and expatriates seeking a Caribbean lifestyle. This surge in investment undeniably creates new jobs and stimulates wealth creation. But it also inevitably drives up property prices across the island. When a large-scale resort is built in a particular area, the surrounding land values nearby experience a significant surge. While some local residents experience newfound wealth and prosperity, Others find themselves increasingly priced out of their own communities, facing displacement. The substantial influx of foreign capital is undoubtedly a game changer for Jamaica, bringing with it both unprecedented opportunities for growth and significant challenges related to equity and access. It's fundamentally reshaping Jamaica's economy, its communities, and its overall social fabric. The critical question that remains is, can the benefits of this investment be shared widely and equitably across all segments of society? Foreign investment is undeniably fueling the current real estate and construction boom, but it's also simultaneously testing the delicate balance between rapid economic growth and maintaining affordability for local residents. The stakes are incredibly high as Jamaica navigates this period of rapid transformation, shaping its future trajectory. This is the new, complex, and rapidly evolving reality of Jamaican real estate and development. The second pillar supporting Jamaica's economic growth is tourism, Jamaica's signature industry, now supercharged and more vibrant than ever before. Visitor numbers are breaking records, consistently exceeding expectations, and the demand for luxury experiences is soaring, reaching new heights. Exclusive hotels offering unparalleled service and amenities, private villas, providing secluded escapes for discerning travelers, and short-term rentals are everywhere, catering to a wide range of preferences. Investors are snapping up properties to rent to tourists, capitalizing on this lucrative market, turning homes into income streams, generating substantial returns on investment. This surge in demand is pushing property values sky high, creating significant wealth for homeowners, especially in hotspots like Montego Bay and Negril, where beachfront properties are highly sought after. Tourism's continued success gives investors unwavering confidence in Jamaica's bright and prosperous future. The boom isn't just residential, it's impacting all sectors of the economy. Restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues are multiplying, catering to the growing influx of visitors. All these businesses need space to operate and thrive, fueling significant commercial real estate growth across the island. As long as tourists keep coming to experience Jamaica's beauty, demand for property will stay strong, ensuring a vibrant real estate market. Tourism is more than just an industry in Jamaica. It's the driving engine behind the remarkable real estate surge we're witnessing. The golden touch of tourism, a gift that keeps on giving, is fundamentally transforming the island, shaping its future. Every new visitor means more opportunity for local businesses and entrepreneurs, and higher property values for homeowners and investors alike. Jamaica's appeal is undeniably global, attracting visitors from all corners of the earth, and the world is coming to stay, investing in the island's vibrant future. The real estate market, a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, is riding the powerful tourism wave, propelled by the island's irresistible allure. The third pillar, government policy, has set the stage for this boom. Successive administrations have made investment easy and attractive. Streamlined approvals and tax incentives have fueled rapid development. The Hotel Incentives Act and special economic zones offer big tax breaks. These policies send a clear message. Jamaica is open for business. Economic stability and responsible fiscal management have built investor confidence. The government's pro-growth stance is a magnet for global capital. By making development profitable and predictable, Jamaica has become a top destination for real estate investment. The result? A thriving market and a transformed economy. Policy has paved the way for Jamaica's real estate revolution. The fourth pillar is infrastructure. Jamaica is building for the future. Major highways, expanded airports, and modernized seaports are changing the game. The North-South Highway slashes travel times, opening new areas for development. Upgraded airports in Montego Bay and Kingston welcome more tourists and bigger planes. Modern seaports boost trade and make importing building materials easier. Better infrastructure means lower costs and more efficient business. Each new road and runway unlocks value and attracts investment. Infrastructure is the backbone of the boom, connecting communities and fueling growth. Investors see a country ready for the future. Jamaica's commitment to building modern infrastructure is paying off. The island is more accessible, more attractive, and more valuable than ever. Infrastructure is turning potential into reality. The foundation for Jamaica's next chapter is being built today. The numbers tell the story of Jamaica's boom. Land prices in prime areas have jumped 300–400% in just a few years. Construction is one of the fastest-growing sectors, with project values climbing steadily. Banks are issuing more mortgages than ever, showing strong demand and lender confidence. Major hotel chains and international corporations are investing hundreds of millions. New resorts and business centers are reshaping local economies. Even small property owners are seeing huge gains. What was once a $200,000 guest house can now be worth $800,000. The data confirms what Jamaicans see every day. The market is red hot. This isn't just a headline, it's real measurable growth. The boom is changing lives and communities. The numbers are staggering, but the impact is personal. Jamaica's real estate market is setting new records. The data proves the transformation is real. Jamaica's boom is making waves far beyond the Caribbean. Western investors see Jamaica as a competitor for global capital. Higher returns here mean money is flowing away from North America and Europe. Regulators are watching for money laundering and illicit activity in this fast-growing market. China's role in financing infrastructure adds a geopolitical twist, raising concerns in Washington and beyond. Jamaica's success is shifting tourism and migration patterns, attracting retirees and second-home buyers from the West. Other Caribbean nations are taking notes, eyeing Jamaica's model. The island's rise is changing the region's economic landscape. The West isn't panicking, but it's definitely paying attention. Jamaica's real estate boom is now a global story. What does the future hold for Jamaica? The boom brings jobs, income, and modern infrastructure, potential for a stronger, more resilient nation. But soaring property values threaten affordability for everyday Jamaicans. The risk: a society divided between haves and have-nots. The government must balance growth with social equity and keep housing accessible. Environmental concerns loom, as rapid development threatens Jamaica's natural beauty. Sustainable growth is essential to protect the island's greatest assets. Jamaica's model could inspire the wider Caribbean, but only if it's inclusive and sustainable. The challenge: harness this trillion-dollar wave to lift all boats. The opportunity: set a new standard for the region. The journey ahead is complex, but the potential is enormous. Jamaica's future is being built today, brick by brick, deal by deal. The world is watching what happens next.